This one I call going in circles. I have to look at the right way if I turn this. It's like going in circles. I absolutely love it. The fabric we used on this is the Dazzle Dots 2 collection from Benartex, and there will be a link in the product in the video description here for that. This one is made up entirely of these little units that I call jarts. We did a quick video on that recently. It's just a small 4-unit piece with a background color, a print color, and 2 half-square triangles. It makes up this little unit. Now look, you can go around in circles with this all day if you like. But what's interesting is it takes quite a few units to make an entire quilt block, because you need to allow for these things to go in a circle, okay? These I chose to make 2-inch units. Each one of these is a 2-inch square. You might screenshot this so you can see the actual layout. I have 8 different little jarts on here. You can make them the same color if you like. I just like the difference in all of those. The other thing is, to make this entire quilt block, you're going to make 8 of these jarts in whatever color you like, and then you're going to need 17 solid background pieces, and on mine I chose black. So if you can make 8 of these and cut yourself some background squares, you are in business. Piece these together in 2s, like I always say. You can add on that 3rd guy at any time during the process. Once you have pairs, square them up. 2s and 2s, 2s and 2s. Pretty soon you have 4 little 4-unit squares, and just keep putting them together like this and like that. And you have got yourself a beautiful going in circles quilt block. I really, really enjoyed doing this one. I hope you will follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, happy sewing.